Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to earn $3,000 to $10,000 a day with AI generated lo-fi beats. Now, it's a very easy process, so let me show you how to do it. So you will be needing three things: a YouTube channel, a place where you can generate good looking high quality images, and an AI software that can create your lo-fi beats. Now for proof, I'm going to show you a channel that does this thing exactly. So everyone knows the lo-fi girl over here. So this is a channel that uploads only lo-fi beats with a simple background. Now for them, they uses animated background, but for the beginning, you can just simply use a normal background. Now let me show you some actual proof. So as you can see right over here, this is the channel, and according to the website, the channel earns approximately $7,000 to $124,000 a month. So just simply don't look at this result over here because this is mostly speculation. So all you have to do is scroll down, and over here you will be able to see the most important details. Over here you find the earnings of each days. As you can see, 10K, 9K, 4K, 8K. And if you scroll down, you'll find more. So this was the proof. Now let me show you how to actually make videos just like them. So now firstly, what you will be needing is an actual good looking image. Now you can go the free way and the paid way. So if you want to go through the paid way, you can go to Midjourney. And if you want to go through the free way and probably the best option, so in that case, you should go with Leonardo AI. So it is an absolutely free website. You can just simply generate images just like Midjourney. As you can see right over here, there are few examples of the types of images that you can generate. And you will also find different models of image generation over here as well. Now, I've generated a few images, so let's generate one over here as well. Now, I have already added a prompt and negative prompts, so you have to research about these if you want to create the best looking image. So as you can see, my image was generated. Now, all you have to do is just simply make this your thumbnail and the background of the video that you will upload. Now, after you've got the image, now the only thing left is the music. So again, I'm going to show you how to get that too. So just simply go over to the website called Movebot over here. So it is an AI music generating website. So you can use this for free if you want to, but if you will generate the music for free and if you will publish it, you won't be getting the copyright, because according to Movebot, you will have to pay the subscription in order to actually monetize any of the music you will get over here. So this is the pricing plan over here. So you can just simply take a look. Now, how to generate a music over here? It's very simple. Just simply click on generate a track. You can also search by reference if you want to. So what you can do is click on this option, paste a link of a YouTube video. So for example, let's take a video from this channel only. So I'm going to take this example, open the music, copy the URL at the top, then paste it right over here. Then click on search tracks. Now give it a few seconds. So it's going to take some time. So be patient. And after that, when it's completed, it will find some similar tracks that you can use. Now, let's say you want to hear a music. Just click on the play option and you will be able to listen to the music right over here. And let's say you like the music, you can create a exact and similar music just like that. All you have to do is click on this option right over here. Then enter the time duration, let's say 10 minutes over here. Then click on the drop down box over here and choose loop. Then click on generate type. And after that, just simply click on generate a track. And right over here, your music is being made. So again, wait for a few seconds. So after some time, your track will be completely made. Now, you can click on this option to play the track, obviously. Now, in order to download the track, all you have to do is click on the download option. So just simply click on your profile at the top, go to my downloads, and right over here, you will find your music. So again, wait for a few seconds over here as well. So after some time, your music will be ready. Now all you have to do is just simply download the music just by clicking on that option. Then agree and download. Now the music will be downloaded. Now all you have to do is just simply add the music and the image in a single place and render them. So in order to do that, you can just simply use any online renderer or any type of renderer on your phone or computer. Most of the options are totally free, so you can use them. And after you're done with that, just simply upload them on YouTube. And in time, you will be able to earn $3,000 to $10,000 a day. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.